Good morning, guys. Today I have one breakfast mixed up already in the bowl here, but I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to eat. I'm going to eat mixed berries yogurt. It's pretty good, and a lot of muesli, some nuts, some dried mangoes, and grapes, and then to top it off with a little bit of syrup. I have never tried the syrup before on this one, so I actually don't know. So I want to try a little bit, just the taste of this. Oh, that's good. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in today also. It was a good breakfast, and now it's time for some lunch. So I'm going to the store right now to buy some lunch. I don't know what to buy today, but it has to be something that is nutritious, you know. But either way, today is going to be filled with the task that's going to make Dewey more complete, put in more products that I have lined up, but it's like a fucking time-consuming task, man, because you know every product has its own description, and I also display, if you want to check it out, at dewey.no. You can see every product page. If you click on a product, you can see that I am displaying in tabs the shipping time on that specific product, the descriptions, FAQs, the return policy, and it's a lot of information that have to go on each and every product page. And also I want the product page to look nice. I want the add to cart to look appealing. I want the colors to look appealing. I want the picture that I use for the products to look appealing. So this is a very, very time-consuming task. So here you're going really to test your dedication when you have a task that seems to never end. Because now I have done 700 products finished, and now I have 2,300 at least more that I have to do. It's a little bit hard task, but I'm up for it. It's all about dedication. I've been doing it pretty much the same all the time for like 4 days now. 8 to 10 hours a day. Exactly the same task, just another product page. And again and again and again and again and again and again. But it's going to pay off in the end, and that's the most important thing. To see the end goal, and that's my girlfriend. She's jogging, training. So yeah, it's good. It's a good place to run back and forth. It's like 300 meters straight forward, back and forth. And if it's very bad weather, like it's here in Bergen, we have 250 rain days a year. So it's very convenient to have like this tunnel to run in if you want to train. So back to the task, you have to see the end goal. So my tip to you guys today are that never work out of motivation. Of course, feel the motivation and try to always stay motivated, but never work based on your motivation. Motivation is a feeling, and feeling comes and goes. You have to work to a target and just work to that target no matter how you feel and how your day is and what will happen. And you just have to go forward. Don't work at emotions, because emotions goes up and down. And if your work career is going to go after your emotions, your money and your career is going to go like this, because your emotion is going to go like that. So that's my best advice today. Never work out of motivation. Work out of dedication and a target you have set, and remind yourself every day of why you're doing it, and write down your goals every morning. Take 5 to 10 minutes every morning and write down your goals. my advice would also, of course, to set the target, set the actual target, and try to achieve something good in your life. And I'm going to jump back into the vlog when I have something to eat at the store. So thank you very much. So then, guys, when you're finished up with the groceries, and always pick a paper bag, man. Don't use the plastic. Let's fucking save the world as well, man. Seriously, we are going to live here. If you're at my age, we're going to live here for a long time, man. And if our kids is even going to have a place to grow up, start with the paper bag, man. Seriously, pay that one fucking kroner, Norwegian kroner more. We live in Norway. Buy a paper bag, man. I'm weird like that, man. I always eat the same, man. But again, they have a 3 to 4 minutes walk through this tunnel. After you just take the elevator down into the mountain, like 11 stories down, you can smell the ocean. It's fresh ocean air. I have never ever tried this before. So this is the first time I'm going to try this one, okay? Oh, do one more time. Right. That was a fucked up start, man. Okay. Look at this. Leo. Sit. Sit. Bli. Oh, flick. Sit. Bli. Bli. Oi. To every dog owner out there in Norway or a country where you see this brand Pure Natural, it's the best high grade fucking food you can give to your dog. It's grain free, it's lamb, it's amazing for your dog. And also we have fish oil. That's also something that is necessary to keep the dog healthy and the fur soft and silky. Hey, look at this, man. Thank you. Thank you. Vær så god. Vær så god. He eating his lunch. Now it's fucking my turn to eat some lunch. So this is my everyday routine. But the thing is, I freaking love it. It's my best choice with lunch, so it's not bad. The only unhealthy thing here is probably the tortilla chips, yeah, like that. You put this together like this. You clean the disc. Put this like this. And then the magic, the one and only chili cheese. just let it there for 1 to 2 minutes. Just to let all of that good, pretty spicy chili oil just drip down on your salad. Then we take off the lid or the container like this. Put that shit in the trash. Put that shit in the trash. And then you take this shit with the rest of the salad, because this container is not big enough to take it all in. And then you just put that shit on top like this. How the fuck are you gonna eat a salad? The fucking lid on it. There's a lid on it, man. How can you eat that shit? Look at it, it's beautiful. And you stir it. You really get all of that jizz from the chili oil. There you have a salad with a sugar-free organic Coke made in Norway. Organics, økologisk in Norwegian. And a sugar-free energy drink to go with it. Energy bar. And some bread with the salad. So that wraps up my day, guys. Now just been using the last 2 hours with this guy.
What's up?
YoungChaz. He's one of the rappers in P.Daddy Promotions.
Yes, sir. P.Daddy Production, our own label. You know, we're grinding our own, man. We don't need nobody to shine, man. Let's fucking go, man. Yes, sir.
Yes, so he's going to take P.Daddy to the next level in 20. You can find his links in the description down below.
Yes, sir.
And yeah, thank you guys today for tuning in, and that's a wrap.